Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. In today's video, I will teach you Ctrl+A to Z shortcut key of Microsoft Word. So let's start. Number 1 is Ctrl+A. Ctrl+A is used for select all the text. If you want to select all these paragraphs, press Ctrl+A, then paragraph select will be done. Next one is Ctrl+B, bold text. If you want to make any thin text bold, you can use Ctrl+B. Select text. When I press Ctrl+B, the text size will be slightly thicker, like this. Next one is Ctrl+C. Ctrl+C is often used to copy highlighted text to the clipboard. Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V work together. As we press Ctrl+C, the selected text will be copied to the clipboard. When we press Ctrl+V, it will be pasted to another place, like this. Next one is Ctrl+D. Ctrl+D is used for open font formatting window. When you press Ctrl+D, this window will open in front of you. You can do many settings in it, like you can change your text size, color, font style, select your text and change its size. Change underline color, change color. When I press OK, all these settings will be applied to the selected text.
Next one is Ctrl+E. Ctrl+E is shortcut key to align text to the center of a line or paragraph. I write a word here. When I press Ctrl+E, it will center. I select some paragraph here and when I press Ctrl+E, the last line will end in the middle.
Next is Ctrl+F. Ctrl+F is used to search for a specific word. For example, I will write electronic here. The word electronic will be highlighted wherever it appears in this paragraph, like this. Next one is Ctrl+G. Ctrl+G is used to go to a particular page. If you are working on many pages and if you want to open a particular page, then press Ctrl+G and write its number here. Then click on Go To. Then you will directly reach this page. Next is Ctrl+H. Ctrl+H is used to replace a specific word. Press Ctrl+H, write the word here which you want to replace with another word. For example, I want to replace electronic to electricity. So I will replace it like this. Click Replace and again click Replace. This way you can replace any word you want throughout the paragraph. Next one is Ctrl+I. Ctrl+I is used to italicize the selected text. Select the text you want to change its font style and press Ctrl+I. It will be italic, like this. Next is Ctrl+J. Ctrl+J is used to justify text. Select the text and press Ctrl+J. Then the line will be equal from the left and right side of the page, like this. Next one is Ctrl+K. Ctrl+K is used to insert a link in the paragraph. Like in this paragraph, I want to add a link. I will select the word Microsoft and press Ctrl+K, and this window will open. Now I will copy the link of this website and paste it in the address field and click OK. The word Microsoft is now green in color. When you click on this green word, you will be taken to the direct website like this. Next one is Ctrl+L and Ctrl+R. Ctrl+L and Ctrl+R are used to align text to right and left. When you press Ctrl+L, the text on the left side will be aligned like this. When you press Ctrl+R, the text will be aligned from right side like this. Next is Ctrl+M. In Microsoft Word, Ctrl+M is used to indent a paragraph. If you have a paragraph selected, pressing Ctrl+M will indent the entire paragraph, pushing it to the right, like this. Next is Ctrl+N. Open new document or file. If you are working on a document and you need a new one, pressing Ctrl+N will open the new document, like this. Next is Ctrl+O. Open an existing document or file. Ctrl+O helps you quickly open previously saved file. If you are working on a document and you need a previously saved document, then press Ctrl+O and click on your document and click open to open your document. Next one is Ctrl+P. Print a document. Ctrl+P is used to print out the document. If you want to print a document, you will press Ctrl+P, and from here you will customize the printing setting and click on print. Then your document will be printed. Next one is Ctrl+Q. Ctrl+Q is used to remove paragraph formatting. Like I make something bold here and I make something italic. Now I will select it and press Ctrl+Q. Then all the formatting will be removed like this. Next one is Ctrl+S. Ctrl+S is used to save a document. If you have worked on a document and it is not already saved, pressing Ctrl+S will open the save window. You write the name of this document. You can save it to your desired location in your PC. Next one is Ctrl+T. Ctrl+T is used to create a hanging indent. Select the text where you want to add a hanging indent and press Ctrl+T, then it will be indented. A hanging indent set the first line of a paragraph to the margin and then indent each subsequent line of the paragraph. Next one is Ctrl+U. Ctrl+U is used to underline the selected text. If you want to underline a text, so select this text and press Ctrl+U, then the line will be filled. Next is Ctrl+W. Ctrl+W is used to close the current open document. If you are working on a document or window, so you want to close it immediately, so pressing Ctrl+W will close it. Next one is Ctrl+X. Ctrl+X is used to cut selected text or file from a document or folder. If you select text and press Ctrl+X, the text will be removed from there. You can paste the same text to another place with Ctrl+V. Next is Ctrl+Y and Z. Ctrl+Z is the keyboard shortcut for undo, which allows you to reverse the last action you performed. Ctrl+Y, on the other hand, is the keyboard shortcut for redo, which allows you to replay the last action you performed after using Ctrl+Z to undo it, like this. This was today's video. Like and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching.